Now the silence is my friend. It seems these calls will never end. I don't remember when I last slept, but I can tell you how much I've wept. And the visions that are running through my brain drive me insane. Then there's the sound of sirens. Is it night or is it day? I feel my body's made of clay. Everywhere I hear the people cry, can you help me? I don't want to die. From one to another with no time to despair. Does no one care? I hear the sound of sirens. You have your highs, you have your lows. The darkness like a cancer grows. It burns inside you, and before too long, you don't know what's right and what is wrong. You want the pain and nightmares to be gone, and you go on with the sound of sirens. Listen, people, this I know. Your broken spirits you won't show. Of this darkness you will not speak, in the fear that it makes you look weak. But there's others who have fought this battle too. They'll see you through. The sound of sirens, when it's more than you can bear, and you wish that you didn't care. Your brain tells you to walk